welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Whoa, please, let's not talk about my nails. My nail tech has decided to close. She closed about a week after the president put us on the first lockdown level 4 because of the high cases. So she hasn't opened. It's the 23rd of July. I'm desperate here, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and watch some more of my videos and subscribe and like them and share them. That would be amazing. But today's video is another Empties video. So the bag is not quite as full as it usually is, but I thought I'd film it because, you know, let's just get this, let's just do this, okay? So yeah, if you want to see everything that I've gone through in the last couple of months, then just keep on watching. All right, first things first, I'm literally just grabbing, there's no rhyme or reason, no nothing. The spray. Yes, it has something in it. It's not the product. This is sanitizer. I just put it in this bottle because look how misty. Hold on, I don't know if you'll be able to see. No. It's, if you ever bought this, the mist comes out very fine, very, quite lovely, but it is sanitizer. But the product is this Woolworths Pure Cotton Room Mist. No, Pure Cotton Fabric and Air Spritzer. Love it. This one, I love the orange one. It smells really nice and fresh. Again, the spray, amazing. It really smells nice. And even with the sanitizer in here, I still get some of that pure cotton smell. Really nice. What I purchased, again, I already have. So yes. The next product is this packet of Nivea makeup removing wipes. I struggled. I know I shared my struggle, but I did struggle to find wipes that didn't burn my face and didn't feel icky. I don't like the smell of these, okay? Let's just put that out there. I don't know, something in the smell just doesn't sit well with my nostrils. But these are the Micellar Wipes, and they're nice. They don't feel terrible on my skin. They don't make my skin feel like it's burning, even after rubbing like multiple times. So yeah, these are nice, and I would repurchase them if it wasn't for the smell. So I think because of the smell, I'll probably try something else. There's just something about them, but these are really nice. Really, really nice. Oh, what a shame. All right, let's get into this packet. We have a box of panty liners here. These are the Always ones. These are the ones that I use. Literally, these are my favorite ones. Yes, love them. They are structured. They stay where they were applied. There's no slipping and sliding. It's just secure. You know that you are locked and loaded in place with these babies. These are my favorite. Still trying out, I literally am trying out new ones. Yeah. These are still my favorite. I haven't found anything else that even closely compares to these. So I will continue to repurchase these always. Next thing, we have a Vaseline lotion. What did this smell like? This is the first bottle, by the way, that I've ever managed to like finish and go through without having to cut it. So I managed to open here. Oh, okay. Yeah, it smells nice. It smells like aloe vera almost. Yeah, the aloe vera lotion that I use smells like this. I don't know how good it actually is for dry skin. I don't have dry skin. I just wanted that extra moisture. It says 72-hour moisturization and dry to very dry skin. So I don't know. I don't have dry skin, so I can't really say this really, you know, helped the scales. But yeah, it was nice. It smells nice. I managed to open it, so yay. Next thing we have here, this is a new one, right? This is a Bionic light moisturizing cream. This is how it looks. So let me tell you the story. I went to Discam, right? And I said to the lady, I'm looking for something that's going to be really moisturizing, really hydrating, and it's going to give my skin a glow. Did it give my skin a glow? No. Did it moisturize my skin? Yes. So she got one of the requests right, so I can't fault her. This says extra comfort, and it was 150 bucks, I think, 120. It's for normal to combination sensitive skin. It lasted about a month. It was nice. It was not revolutionary, but I'm not dying to pick it up again. But yeah, don't know if I'll repurchase. Actually, I don't know. All right, next thing we have here is a sanitizer. This is the Claire's instant hand sanitizer. This is the one that smells like grapes, and I'm telling you, if you're gonna buy this, just smell it before you get it, because some of them don't smell like grapes. But yeah, love this one. Will I repurchase? I already have. But yeah, love it. Love, love, love the smell. So next thing we have, oh my gosh, it's this baby Vaseline Jelly. I've had this easily. I've had this for over 5 years. I don't use Vaseline a lot. Like, what do you use Vaseline for? Well, actually, I know there's quite a number of uses for Vaseline, quite a lengthy list of uses, but I don't see myself putting Vaseline in my hair anytime soon. So, but yeah, this is the Vaseline Jelly. This is the petroleum jelly. Really great. It lasted forever. And will I repurchase? I already have. It's just a tried and true, like a basic, you know. It's like bread and milk. Vaseline. It's one of them. Next we have a Dove Rollon. This is my favorite. There's nothing that compares. We're probably going to find a lot of these in this bag, so you can just prepare yourself. But my underarms have never been a problem. Not a serious problem, so I wasn't like on the hunt. I found this, used it, loved it. Keeps me fresh all day. I will continue with it. Next we have the Nivea Sunscreen. I need this, okay? So I put this on. It's this one, 50 plus SPF. I put this on every single day. I put it in my face moisturizer, and then wherever my skin is gonna be exposed, I apply this. I know that there's like a really crazy, you know, every 2 hours you're supposed to reapply. I don't do that, honestly. I apply it once, and then even if I'm swimming, I apply it once, go into the pool, swim, 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 get out. Like, I don't apply it every 2 hours or whatever. But yeah, I will definitely be repurchasing this. It's sunscreen. I need it. We all need it. So yeah. Next thing is it's quite a favorite. This is the Bumley Coco Heaven tissue oil. Smells like chocolate. Literally want to drink it. I could smell this all day. It smells so good. There's still a little bit in there. It smells so good. I just recently discovered, well, I knew it was there. I just recently purchased it and tried it. Someone on my channel actually recommended that I try this one, and I did. My favorite. I used to use the Magnolia one like exclusively, but since I've tried this, I will definitely be purchasing both. Eventually I'll probably just stick to this one because it smells so yummy. Imagine someone else smelling this on you. Don't laugh at me. This is another Vaseline lotion. You know how the bottom is supposed to look. Don't say anything, please. But this one is the Advanced Repair. It doesn't smell like anything. It says unscented. It smells like chemicals, basically. I am using the Coco Glow On right now, and I will tell you what I think about that in the next video. But yeah, really like this range from Vaseline. It's really nice. It feels really good on my skin. I mix in this tissue oil into the lotion, so that my skin is always like really moisturized. So yeah, I really like those, and I will probably definitely be repurchasing them. We have another lotion. Yeah, okay, this one smells really good. This is the Aloe and Hydration lotion by Nivea. This is a 48-hour deep moisture. This one is a 72. So before I use those, I used to use these like religiously. This is what we would buy. I guess now we're just gonna have to go off of like what's on promotion. They are both really good. They both feel really good on my skin. I love both of them, and I will definitely be repurchasing both of them. But yeah, this aloe vera one smells really nice and fresh. I just love it. Out of all of them, this one is my favorite, then the Coco one. Oh my gosh, okay, this one is definitely one of my favorites. These are the scented cards from Sheet Street. Okay, I got them last year. They were on promotion from 50 bucks to 40 bucks. And I kid you not. Oh my gosh. I have these cards in my car because they smell so amazing, so yummy. I just want to eat them. I can't find them anymore. I really just want to eat them. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. If you can find these, just purchase one. It comes with 4 cards inside, I believe. Smells so good. I have one in my shoe cupboard. Smells amazing. I have one in my car. I used to have one in my bag when I was going to school every day so that my bag could smell really nice and yummy. But yeah, I bought like 2 packets of these, and now they're both finished, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. The cards inside are pink. I don't know if it changes per scent, but it's just like a pink rubber square, and it comes with a little ribbon, and you just tie it. You can tie it in your car, or you can just like toss it in your bag. It smells chef's kiss. I will definitely be repurchasing those. They smell so good. I love them. You see, I told you. Okay, this is Dove Rollon. Again, a favorite, a tried and true. This is it. This is it for me. I will continue to buy these religiously. Yeah, they do the job. They smell really good, and they do the job. Like, I've gone through 5. What? If it's 1 a month, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, we have another little tissue oil by Bumley. This is the Magnolia one that I was talking about. And then also, I recently, like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months ago, found out that they make like massive ones. And so we've upgraded, but this is the one that I used to buy all the time. And it's so cute and little, and there's still some in there. But this is the one that we buy now, this mega one. This one's 100 mils. This is 250. So got you sorted for like 2.5 months. This is really random, but let's talk about my favorite pen, right? Let's talk about my handwriting. My handwriting changes with every pen that I use. I don't know what it is. It's just a different pen gives me a different handwriting. Do I like it? No, but this pen gives me one of my favorite handwritings. So I use this pen religiously. It's very comfortable. It's a Pilot G207 pen. These are the pens that I prefer. If I'm gonna go buy pens, these are the ones that I like. I go through, literally, I'm only showing you 2. I'm pretty sure I've gone through 5 this year, and we're in July. So yeah, lots of writing. Love these. Very comfortable. It's got the rubber grip, but I'm pretty sure you've all seen these pens. Love them. My favorite. And then last thing we have is a black soap band. This is the soap that I use on my face. In the morning when I wake up, this is what I use to wash my face. In the evening, if I'm wearing makeup, I remove my makeup with one of those wipes that I showed you. And then I will do either a scrub or a mask sometimes, maybe like once a month, twice a month at most. And then I use the soap to wash my face after I remove my makeup. But most of the time, if I'm not wearing makeup, I just use this one and then moisturize my face. This is the soap that I use, the soap that I'm always going to use, well, until I find something that's like revolutionary and I'm obsessed and I love it. This is the soap that I use. It's really nice. Like, it's treating my skin really, really well. So when my skin is really happy, like right now, my skin is extremely happy. I don't know what's attributed to. I haven't changed anything in my skincare. So I'm assuming it's the collagen pills that I'm taking. But let me show you. They're actually finished. They should be in this haul. There's 2 left. But these are the Biogen collagen pills. Before these, I took the Sally something box. I will put a picture right here. I had those pills, and like my skin, I used to get breakouts all the time, like on my forehead and some along the jawline. And you know, my doctor said it's like hormonal. But since using these, I haven't had those little breakouts. Like I used to have really tiny ones on my forehead, and I don't know what it is. This is the only thing that I'm taking that is new. So I'm pretty sure this is it, which means I will have to keep buying these. There's 60 capsules in here. At Discount they have a promotion where you get this one and you get a 30, and that's like 200 or 300 bucks. But yeah, that is everything that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on my Instagram, on my TikTok. If you're on TikTok, I'm on TikTok all the time. I don't post on TikTok all the time, but I am on TikTok. Yeah, if you have any video suggestions, I know you guys put video suggestions in the comments and I write them down, but I don't get to them sometimes because I can't. But yeah, if you have anything that you really want to see, just drop it down in the comments below. If you have any products that you really want me to try out and want me to tell you about in one of these videos, definitely you can leave it down below and I will try and get my hands on that product. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. I can't do the thing with my nubs. Oh, that's horrible. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.